Both? Both? One is alive.
Russian channels moan about another possible loss of a helicopter. This time, a Mi-28 helicopter was allegedly shot down by their own air defense. Several prominent Russian telegram channels reported that another Mi-28 attack helicopter has been shot down, though details of the incident remain unclear. Initial information suggests the crew of the helicopter did not survive, with speculation mounting that it may have been mistakenly targeted by Russian air defenses. The reports highlight ongoing challenges faced by Russian forces in differentiating friendly aircraft from hostile drones. If confirmed, this would mark the second Mi-28 helicopter lost to friendly fire since the start of Russia's large-scale invasion of Ukraine. Russia has suffered the loss of approximately 15 Mi-28 helicopters during the war, according to available data. This attack helicopter, known as the Night Hunter, is relied upon for close air support and counter-drone missions. The Mi-28 incident underscores the increasing complexity of air operations in contested zones, where drones and manned aircraft operate in close proximity, raising the risks of misidentification. Russian military officials have yet to confirm the incident or provide details about the circumstances of the crash. Meanwhile, the loss adds to the mounting toll on Russia's aviation capabilities during the ongoing conflict. What to do? Where does it hurt? A Russian soldier films the aftermath of an FPV drone strike on a vehicle carrying Russian assault forces in the Donetsk region.
Where is Boris? Come on. Fuck him in the mouth. Is anyone there? Both? Both? One is alive.
Оба все? Оба? Один живой. Ебать его в рот.
Brother, what were you doing? What were you doing? What do you want?
Брат, что делать?
The Ukrainian 59th Separate Motorized Infantry Brigade destroyed a Russian infantry fighting vehicle carrying assault forces near Pokrovsk. The situation in Pokrovsk remains critical as Ukrainian forces face intense pressure from Russian advances. Heavy shelling and ongoing assaults have put significant strain on defenses, with infrastructure damage complicating efforts to maintain supply lines and civilian safety. Reports indicate that Russian forces are intensifying their efforts to secure the area, seeking to cut off key routes in Donetsk Oblast. Despite the challenges, Ukrainian troops continue to hold their ground, showcasing resilience in the face of mounting difficulties. The battle for Pokrovsk highlights the broader struggle along the Eastern Front, where every inch of territory is fiercely contested. On November 22, 2024, a R-360 Neptune missile struck a tanker in Berdyansk port. Initial reports indicated damage to the tanker and fuel tanks, but satellite confirmation was impossible due to high cloud cover. Now, 2 months later, satellite images from December showed 2 critically damaged tanks. The tanker is no longer there, and Russians are freaking out as Ukrainian Commander-in-Chief Syrsky visits Ukrainian troops on the Kursk front. He highlighted that Russian forces lost 38,000 personnel and over 1,000 pieces of equipment during operations. Additionally, the exchange fund has grown by more than 700 captured Russians. Russians are mad because Syrsky crossed the border and visits his troops on Russian territory. More good news. 200 Ukrainian aviators completed basic flight, ground, and language training in the UK ahead of F-16 training. Royal Air Force instructors trained pilots in aircraft control, instrument flying, low-altitude navigation, and complex formations. Ukraine's Ministry of Defense, under its Directorate of Defense Innovations, recently conducted a demonstration of fiber-optic controlled FPV drones as part of its efforts to modernize military capabilities. The event showcased over a dozen drone models from domestic manufacturers, with some capable of carrying payloads of up to 3 kilograms. Experienced drone operators, potential users of the technology in battlefield scenarios, observed the tests firsthand. The enemy continues to enhance its capabilities with fiber-optic drone control technologies. It is critical to counter these advantages in this segment, said Lieutenant Colonel Yevgeny Tkachenko, head of the ministry's Unmanned Aerial Systems Directorate. Our domestic manufacturers have demonstrated their ability to quickly adapt to modern warfare challenges and deliver innovative solutions. Today's demonstration confirms the effectiveness and scalability of these technologies for military needs. Fiber-optic drones offer a distinct advantage in environments with heavy electronic warfare interference. Unlike conventional FPV drones that rely on radio frequencies, these systems use lightweight fiber-optic cables to transmit signals between the operator and the drone. This design renders them immune to electronic jamming, a tactic widely used in the conflict in Ukraine. During the presentation, UAV operators from the Ukrainian Armed Forces positively evaluated the drone's technical specifications and capabilities. Senior soldier and UAV operator Ihor Y, who participated in the demonstration, emphasized the practicality of the technology in combat scenarios. Although the technology is not entirely new, it is extremely effective in the context of modern warfare and the active electronic countermeasures employed by the enemy, said Ihor. These drones are indispensable for executing specific specialized tasks, and we anticipate a significant increase in combat efficiency with their deployment. Lieutenant Colonel Tkachenko noted that several drone systems presented at the demonstration are in the final stages of codification and are expected to be delivered to the armed forces of Ukraine in the near future. The ability to scale production rapidly ensures that these technologies can meet operational demands. According to Sam Cranny Evans of Warthog Defense, fiber-optic FPV drones offer multiple advantages over traditional designs. These systems provide higher bandwidth, reducing latency and improving video quality for more precise targeting. The unjammable signal ensures that adversaries must rely on physical countermeasures, such as finding cover or shooting down the drones, to defend against them. And in Syria, the Kurdish-led Syrian Democratic Forces announced that they had successfully shot down a Turkish Bayraktar TB-2 combat drone near the Karakozak Bridge in northern Raqqa. According to the SDF Media Center, the incident occurred at approximately 1 p.m. local time. At exactly 1 p.m. today, our fighters successfully downed a Turkish Bayraktar TB-2 drone in the Karakozak Bridge area, the statement read. The SDF has accused Turkey and its allied opposition factions of repeated violations of a ceasefire agreement brokered by the United States. The violations include attacks on several strategic locations, such as the outskirts of Kobani, Tishrin Dam, and Ain Issa. The Turkish state and its proxies are intensifying their aggression, ignoring all de-escalation efforts, the SDF emphasized in their statement. The ceasefire agreement, mediated by the United States, was intended to stabilize northern Syria following years of conflict. However, tensions remain high, with both Turkey and the SDF trading accusations of undermining the fragile truce.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.